Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and today I will be swatching and talking about the Holo Taco Vacation collection. So this collection came out maybe like 6 weeks ago, maybe 8 weeks, I don't know. I'm so short on spare time that a lot of collections that came out like before the summer season are still on my desk and just waiting to be swatched. So that's why this one took a hot minute as well. But you can still get these polishes if I'm correct. I actually bought the set on the launch day. I think I bought it for $70. So there are 5 bottles of quite unique nail polishes in this collection that are all kind of holiday vacation related. I have to say, I'm always very honest, like opinion wise and so on in my videos. I can also be quite direct with that in my videos and in daily life as well, because you guys know me, I'm Dutch, I'm just quite direct, like my personality is just that way. So if you feel differently than I do about these polishes, let me know in the comments down below. But like all 5 shades are quite unique, nice. I love the shimmer, glitter and so on, but do I feel like these tie together in a holiday or vacation collection? I have my doubts about that, and that is not because I want to hate on the brand, because if you have been following me for a really long time, you know that I have pretty much collected all Holo Tacos collection since the start. I really like the brand. Of course they are like more pricey compared to random drugstore brands, but I really love the quality of them. So yeah, that's just a little bit of extra like behind the scenes information. I like the brand, I'm just not really a fan of these colors together. So let's put that aside and just look at the gorgeous colors one by one and see how they perform with 2 coats each. So this first one is called Never Tied Down. I think this one is my favorite from this collection, but while swatching it, I really felt like I already have a polish in my way too big collection already, which is Nail Junkie by Sinful Colors, which I bought maybe even over a decade ago, but it looks really similar. The only difference I would say between this Holo Taco one and the old school Sinful Colors one is that the Holo Taco one has more of like a flaky shimmer and glitter going on in there, and the Sinful Colors one more has a round glitter. So yeah, if you can't find the Sinful Colors one and you really like it, definitely check out this Holo Taco one. Once again, this one is way more expensive than the Sinful Colors polish was back when I bought it. I think that one was like €2 and this one is I think 14 if I'm correct. So yeah, if you are looking for a dupe for the Sinful Colors Nail Junkie polish, definitely check out that one. Next one is called Tax Haven. This color really doesn't scream holiday or vacation or anything like that to me personally. I don't really feel like it is a super summery color either, but that is just my opinion. Let me know what you think. I do think it's quite unique polish. It is really pretty. It is a little sheer on the first coat, but I don't really mind it because usually I go for 2 coats at least for my polishes anyway. It really is a difficult color to describe because I would describe it as kind of like a chocolatey kind of brown with a rusty shimmer in there, but also a lot of holographic finely milled glitter. So yeah, it is kind of a difficult one to describe. It's not like, oh, just call it a red, or oh, just call it a purple. It's nothing like that. I do feel like it's really pretty to wear during fall and winter. It definitely is one of those cozy, warm kind of colors. But the glitter and shimmer in there just make it really beautiful. Once again, for summer I would skip this one, but for fall and winter I think it's really gorgeous. And I was actually quite surprised to see how opaque this one was with the second coat, because the first one was a little bit sheer. But yeah, I'm really not disappointed. Just a little bit like, I don't know what this one is doing in a summery vacation collection, but you know, oh well. Next one is called Private Villa. I really do like this one. I'm just not quite sure what the name has to do with this specific color. This color kind of reminds me of like an open fire at the beach or something like that, because it has a beautiful reddish, orangey, gold, pink. There are so many beautiful tones in here that really work together well. It's a very warm, rich kind of polish, super glittery, super shimmery. I would highly recommend to remove this one with like a nail soaking method. So just maybe use a cotton round or cut it in half. Just use some nail polish remover on that and just put it on the nail for like 3 minutes. That way you can get rid of most of the shimmery flakiness that is in this polish, and it's not all over your cuticle area, the skin next to your nails, and so on. These polishes definitely aren't difficult to remove. You don't really need to scrub or anything, but just to make sure you don't have like tons and tons of loose glitter and flaky and shimmers like all over your hands when removing nail polishes like these, just use the nail soaking method. If you have any questions about that, let me know. I might even have a video on that already, or maybe infused it in one of like my nail routine videos. Also, if you would like me to do a new updated nail routine video, let me know in the comments down below and I will try to record it once I will be doing my nails again. Then the next color is called Beach Please. This one definitely works well with the whole vacation like vibe. It is definitely very sandy, beachy like. Personally, I'm not a big fan of like the light gold, beigey, sandy kind of colors. I don't really feel like they go well with my like own skin tone. But I think this is one of those colors that will look really beautiful if you're quite tanned, or maybe even have a beautiful like dark chocolatey skin. I think that would work really, really well. For me, it's a little bit too beigey, if you know what I mean. Other than that, like the first coat was quite sheer, but because these polishes are packed full with glitter, shimmer, flakies, and so on, they dry really, really fast. And I wasn't disappointed with the second layer already, but personally, with the length of my natural nails, I would go for a third coat to make it completely opaque and just a whole like glitter bomb. It really is a gorgeous color, just the tone of this color doesn't really suit me well in my opinion, but let me know what you think. I just feel like it makes me look kind of weird, like it makes my skin tone look a little off. I don't know what it is. Then the fifth and final color from this collection is called Late Checkout. And fun thing, what I noticed with this one, because I am Dutch, so Dutch is my mother tongue, I was like, late checkout is exactly like spelled exactly the same way as we do here in the Netherlands. I was like a little bit mind blown. Like I never really stopped to think about it, how so many words are so similar in Dutch and English and in a whole bunch of other languages. But I was like, okay, late checkout. In Dutch you say late checkout, which is pretty much the same. You write it exactly the same. But oh well, that was just a little side rant. The color on its own, it was a little sheer on the first coat. I didn't expect it to be as purpley based as it really is. You can definitely see that within the first coat. But once again, this one is packed with shimmer. It is gorgeous. This is definitely one of those colors that I'm not quite sure if I have a color exactly like this in my collection yet. It's gorgeous. There's like blue in there. There's a little bit of coppery like goodness going on in there. It's really stunning. I don't feel like it is completely opaque within 2 coats, but I just wanted to show you what all of these polishes are capable of with just 2 coats, just to really compare them all together. I think this is a gorgeous color, but it definitely needs a third layer for the length of my natural nails. But yeah, this was pretty much my entire review talk through of the Holo Taco Vacation collection. Let me know what you think about these colors. I don't really feel like they tie in, but are gorgeous on their own. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I see you next time.